Atlas Fibre has the largest inventory of thermoset sheet, rod, and tube in North America. For over 60 years, we've led the way using state-of-the-art machinery, precision craftsmanship, and the highest quality materials. Selecting the right material for better wear, increased resistance to corrosion, weight reduction, and noise reduction often leads to cost savings and longer life of the part. Our team will help you select the best material to match your specifications at the most competitive price. With more than $20 million in thermoset sheet, rod, and tube inventory, we're able to fulfill your immediate CNC cutting and sanding requirements and ship the same day. This means that you'll be able to satisfy your customer faster by shipping sooner, using less machining time because we do the precision cutting and sanding for you. Atlas Fibre can stock inventory to match your delivery requirements. With the most experience, the latest in manufacturing technologies, and the largest inventory, Atlas Fibre is your premier source for thermoset sheet, rod, and tube. Ready to order? Contact us today.